Hey, my friends, Richard Weberg here, for those of you who do not know me, and this is the second video in a series that I am doing to show you what we do each day online to make money. And I'm going to show you a simple advertising resource called PageRankCafe. Again, this video is not going to be fancy, it's just going to be straight to the point. And this is one of the advertising resources when I start for the day and I open up tabs of stuff that I'm going to do. I put this in those tabs, PageRankCafe, and that way when I want to post here while I'm working, it takes me a few seconds. That makes this process really easy and less time consuming when you open up some of the things that you're using and you open them up in multiple tabs. Now, here's one tidbit. So those of you who are going to be following along in this series, and anytime you're watching a YouTube video, there's some people who don't realize, like, if everything's showing small on the screen, because it is a small video here on YouTube, any video in the right hand corner, you can click on this little broken box and click on that, and it'll open it up in full screen. And you can see how I just opened it up in full screen, and I can exit full screen down in this right hand corner in this little T looking thing, and click exit full screen, and you're back to the original size. So that's if you want to make the video larger so you can follow along easier as I show you step by step in these videos what we do each day. So your first step would be, if you're not a member of PageRankCafe, to join it. So I'll leave a link below this video, and all these videos I will leave the details below the videos so you have no problem following along. So I'll leave my referral link to PageRankCafe, and you can join me here if you want. Then what I'm going to do is show you how simple it is to advertise your link here. And one thing that PageRankCafe is, it's like a traffic exchange. Now, a lot of people go, well, I don't think traffic exchanges work that well because it's other people viewing your ads and you viewing theirs. Well, they do. There's a reason why. Excuse me, I got a tickle in my throat. Needed a drink of water. But anyway, there's a reason why I use these sources. I've been doing this stuff for a very long time, and the stuff works, and that's why I do it. So it may seem really simple to some people, but it absolutely works. So this little image here is blocking what I want to see here. So I'm just going to reload this and get that image out of my way. And what I want to do is go into my account, and I'll show you my links. And you can see the views on this right-hand side over here for different links that I posted here, and you can see some of them have thousands and thousands of views. 17,000 people have visited and all these visitors, and I have 4 pages worth of stuff that I have posted here to show you that I actually use this every day because it's so easy to use. And you can buy ads here, or if you have no budget and you're really strapped for money, well, you can use your time to post here. But in PageRankCafe on the home page, this is all public. Other people who visit this page via search engines or links out there and come here, they can find your link. The sticky links are all paid ones, and these ones right down the middle are people who have posted for free. So I'm just going to post a link for free to show you how it is. And once you join, to get credits, all you would do is click on one of these links, and you can see it loading in another tab. There's a timer. Once the timer goes through, you click on View Next Site, and you can get another credit. And it doesn't take very many credits. You can click for like 5-10 minutes, get enough credits to post a few links, okay? So that's all I'm going to show you is a timer will count down, and you can click View Next Site. And you get enough credits, spend 10 minutes doing it. I mean, if you ain't got no money to advertise, otherwise the best way to do it on here, which I do both, I buy a sticky ad, but I have tons of credits here from referring people. By referring people, I get, literally, I've had thousands of free links. So all I need to do is come here, but I do purchase them as well because they're very inexpensive. And you can see that here's a link that's been posted here for 10 days. This didn't cost somebody hardly anything, and they've had 5,000 visitors to that link. So now the best way to use this, of course, if you're following along with what we're teaching, is you want to use all your traffic to build your email list, because your email list is your key to your success and following up with people. And the two programs that we use to teach you to do that is we use Now Lifestyle, because they have an autoresponder, and that autoresponder and a lead capture system are what you use to send emails to your leads after they opt in onto your list. And we use Your 8 Steps, because Your 8 Steps is a giant funnel for all the traffic programs that we'll be using. And this helps you to build downline in Now Lifestyle and show you how to use the autoresponder in Now Lifestyle, because Now Lifestyle has both an autoresponder and a lead capture system, so that people who have no experience can get started immediately. The lead capture system is completely done for you. All you need to do is send broadcast emails, which I show you in videos how to do. But the first thing you want to do right away is you want to start advertising. You want to start getting people on your email list. So PageRankCafe is going to be the first program that I'm going to show you how to do. Now that you know how to click for credits in here, all you do now is, once you have enough credits, you click on Add Link Now. And how simple this is, you go to Now Lifestyle. In Now Lifestyle, you click on Reseller Tools. You click on Lead Capture System. And if you haven't set up your details yet here, you'd click on this button first, put in all your details, click Update, and close this out. And it would populate your lead capture system with about 7 to 8 emails, something like that, that have your details and link in place for people to join you in Now Lifestyle. And this way they can buy products and services and become part of your team. So now, once you did that, what you want to do is get your lead capture pages. So all you do is click on lead capture system again here. Click on, oh no, we got to go to reseller tools, sorry. The reseller tools are where your links are at. Click on promo links. And then here you got opportunity. We'll go grab one of these lead capture pages. So we're going to click on that. Then we're going to click on lead pages right here. Click in this drop-down menu, choose link, and then you can see you can choose what page you want to advertise. So what we're going to advertise in this one is we're going to take this one right here. So you click on it. Now it'll load your link for you. It'll just take a second here. We're going to scroll down. We're going to copy this link, because you scroll underneath the link after it loads, and it has your full link with your username on the end of it. You can create a tracking link too to see where your opt-ins are coming from. And I'm just going to grab this link to make this video short, and I'm going to go to PageRankCafe. I'm going to, first I got to log back in. Somehow I got logged out. Okay, I'm going to add link. So now I'm going to put my URL in here, which is my lead capture page. Use all your traffic to build your list. And for simplicity's sake, I'm just going to type up a small title here, but you can think of something very creative. And I'm going to say, let's see, the new year has started. Let's help you make it your best ever. And there we go. That's how simple it is. Now, if you need some help with something to type in here or put in here for your subject line of the ad, what you do is go back into Now Lifestyle. You would go to Add Copy in the same menu here. You go to Add Copy, and here you can find some things you can use to post in PageRankCafe as the title, because the title is what shows. Now you can make them a little bit longer than this, but you'll learn how long you can make them, because when you go to post it, only part of it's going to show, so you'll know about how long you can make them. You can make them pretty long in here, but you want them simple and something that's going to catch somebody's attention. And you got your link in here. Now you click I'm not a robot, and you click submit. Now it's loading below.
There are hundreds of thousands of people starting online.
Stop that video. Now just click OK. The link has been saved. Now here's where you can use credits for bold title, longer views. And you don't want to really waste your credits here unless you have tons like I do. I have 500 available posts. Like I said, I refer people, so then I get tons of free posts and I don't have to click for any credits in anything. So I just click that little button. But for you, those of you, like I said, don't have an ad budget, do it for free. It takes 10 minutes to get a bunch of ad credits, and you can post until you use up those ad credits. You can post your link a couple times, and then we're going to scroll down. Now, if you wanted to pay for a sticky ad like I showed you, here are the different options below for the number of days, and then you just click on submit after you would do that, after you'd pay. If you have money in the ad budget, this is a smart way to do it, because then for 10 days your ad is on there. You see that guy had almost 6,000 views on his link for $9. It doesn't get any inexpensiver than that to start advertising your lead capture pages. So now we just click on submit, and we can go back up to the main PageRankCafe public site by clicking on this. You can see your link is now active. So we just click on that, and wham, there's your link. And you can post on here as many times a day as you want. That's why I just leave it open. And this is one of the things I do each day to make money online and to advertise and build my list. And we could do the same thing for your 8 steps, because your 8 steps, we show you how to use the Now Lifestyle autoresponder, because like I said, there's an autoresponder, full-blown autoresponder you have in Now Lifestyle, so you can create additional campaigns and use other lead capture pages, and that's what we show you how to do in your 8 steps. And we have a series of downline builders in here to help you build residual traffic and referrals in the traffic programs that we are sharing with you how to use. But in here, all you would do is go to your steps, go to step 3, because I know where the lead capture pages are, that once you have followed these instructions here, you'd have your autoresponder set up in Now Lifestyle, and this is another method to expose your business and help you by using a funnel with your 8 steps, because it all works with Now Lifestyle as well. So now we grab one of these squeeze pages here, the same thing. These are lead capture pages, because that's what we show you how to do. You will not be successful online if you're not building your email marketing list. And that's everything that Now Lifestyle teaches you to do, and everything your 8 steps teaches you to do. We're building using the same autoresponder, the Now Lifestyle autoresponder, and the lead capture system in Now Lifestyle. So you can build leads that you can follow up with and share Now Lifestyle business opportunity with. And that is the only way you'll be successful online, is by building your email list. But then you could come over here, you could do the same thing, add link, put in that squeeze page. I copied one of them, and then I could get some ad copy here by going to the affiliate tools right here, going to the affiliate toolbox, scrolling down, and you can find different things in here to help you come up with a subject title for that ad. And I'm just looking. I'm going to grab this, and I'm going to copy it, go back to PageRankCafe, paste that in there. I'm going to alter it a little bit. Super simple, works for anyone regardless of past experience. Exclamation point. I'm not a robot again. Click on submit. And it's loading. Then click OK. Again, I can take this 12 seconds because I have tons of credits. And like I said, you can earn credits here really easily. I encourage you to do the paid ones. You got a budget, because this helps leverage time. Money helps you leverage time when building a business online. And then you just click submit. And again, your link is now active. And I click on the main page link up here to go back to the home page. That's live, public, and there's that link. So now look, you'll start to get visitors on these. You can see people's links have had clicks. People are visiting, because this gets visitors from the search engines and other places where people link to the site, and the members that are here, and they find your opportunity and they like it. So they click on it, and this is why email marketing is so powerful. See, this is a lead capture page. They go, yeah, I like this offer. I want to learn more. So they put in their full name, enter their email, and click on submit. Now they're on your email list, and they will get your follow-up emails that you will set up back here for your 8 steps that we show you step-by-step how to do in step number 3. Or if you were advertising your lead capture page, then your first emails are already populated for you, and they will start to get your follow-up emails automatically. But this is a great way to start building your list. Very simple. Anyone can do this, and that's what I want you to show you. You know, over the years we have made a ton of money doing internet marketing, and you know, some of this stuff will be so simple that anybody can do it. And the thing that it takes action doing this. You know, you can't just watch this video and go, this stuff's going to happen by itself. You actually have to follow instructions and actually do it. And I just walked you by the hand, step by step. It is extremely easy, but you won't believe the number of people. And the reason why, and I stressed this in my last video, why so many people fail is because they fail to take action. I know because I see people join PageRankCafe that I have referred because I know who they are and I know what they're promoting, and I see them not use it. So don't bother joining anything if you're not going to bother taking any action, because you'll never make any money. It's all about taking action. Those who take the most action win, my friends. This stuff is not complicated. You learn it one little step at a time. You don't need to know a whole ton of other things. You could have just joined Now Lifestyle and followed these instructions because it's that easy. Don't overcomplicate it. Don't overthink it. Well, how does this happen? How does this happen? You'll learn that. In the next videos, I'll cover more things. I'm doing, like I said in the last video I did, I'm doing a series of step-by-step videos on what we do each day. And each day in those videos, I'm going to give you a little bit more information, and show you another thing, how to progress forward, because action is your only vehicle for you to move forward. And then when you have some time, because you've taken some action, you're in your back office of Now Lifestyle, you know, explore it. You know, go to the dashboard. Go to these steps right here. Click on them. You know, click on them. You know, start here first. Do that. Watch the video. You will learn more bits and bits, and pretty soon you will have a great understanding of what you're doing, but you have to take action at the same time so you start to understand things, because things don't make sense unless you do them. So please, if you're following along with us, take our advice. We know what we're doing. Been doing this a long time. My son, Johnny's been doing it since he was 10 years old. I mean, this is so simple that a 10-year-old can do it. But the great thing about a 10-year-old is 10-year-olds tend to follow your instructions when they really want to learn something. And sometimes us as adults don't follow instructions because we think we know better, or we are our own worst enemy sometimes. Other than that, my friends, we will see you on another video. Have a great day.